My brand name is this works.
Hello?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to present about our company, Vicky Jewelers. It's at Lokhandwala, Andheri West. I'll basics what we have at the store. What is our USP? I would like to explain it first. First, I would like to focus on the category. We have gold jewelry, diamonds, and loose solitaires. And lately we have started moissanite, which is you can make a solitaire earrings under 20,000. Astro gems, polki. Gemstones is astrological stones. Like for example, your astrologer recommends
पास कर ना बंद कर बंद कर देंगे
Sorry. So we have astrological gemstone. That means an astrologer will recommend you what stones you have to wear. So we do very good in that, especially. And I have Vicky Matrimonials as a social service. We don't charge anyone. Bride rooms, we are having a lot of bride all over the world. Services offered. We have old gold facility. We have melt in front of you. Means there is full transparency. There is no deduction. We don't rate the gold. We basically give it to the factory to channelize to make jewelry. So we don't deduct anything in the gold. We are the only jeweler who doesn't deduct anything. Means अगर 70,000 gold rate है, आपको 70,000 पूरा मिलेगा. We are the only jeweler. Facility. Plus, now the rate is high, so the best opportunity for you is to use your old gold. I am sure everyone is having a lot of unused gold jewelry, broken gold. This is the time to revamp it because 75,000 rate is very high. So even if you purchase a small chain, it will cost you 85,000, 10 grams, for example. So we have in-house facility. We buy gold and diamonds. Free repairs for IBP members. Sorry for the glitch. Free repairs only for IBP members. Okay. Home visit facility Pan India. That is only available for a wedding customer. Hello. Home visit facility is available when the person is specific. For wedding, we do customized weddings. I am a jewelry designer from IIGJ myself. So I design jewelry also. And we are located at Lokhandwala Market, very west. Let you go through some exclusive designs we are doing. This is a pie-cut ring. The center is having 5 solitaires, 3 emerald cut, 1 princess cut, and 4 round cut diamonds. It will look like a solitaire. You can convert it into a pendant. It is exclusive, only we make. No one is having this in India, all over India. This is the cocktail ring. Just a few designs I would like to highlight. See this ring carefully. This all shank, this separates in itself. All are having separately, and there is a solitaire. This is having solitaire. having marquise, round, princess cut, pearls. This is Basera pearls. This pearls alone is valuing 40-50,000. Basera pearls are the most expensive in the world. This piece is having. This is Saint Laurent. I am sure ladies heard of the bags. They use the bag Saint Laurent. Their designer jewelry is there. It's having the logo. This is triangle cut. It's very in trend now. I think you are not able to see that clearly. ठीक है. I would like to explain you the kitty plan we have. It's a monthly plan, like a SIP, systematic investment plan we have for jewelry also. Like jewelry has given the best returns. It is outperformed mutual funds, any fund you can say. So we are in 6 months the rate is cost from 60 to 75,000. So I don't think anything is better than jewelry. So we are having a very nominal amount scheme, 3,000 per month. 12 months you pay, 1 month you get free. So 39,000 you will get jewelry. Worth you are paying only 36,000. Equivalent whatever amount you decide. So it will be that many times. Okay. So basically 10% is the making charge. So that you will recover out of, you will get full value for jewelry. That is the advantage, and plus you will have systematic savings. Because jewelry is, and diamond jewelry, lot of people, may I know who is having any myth like you feel diamond jewelry you will not get anything back? Can I have? Huh? So anybody is having a question?
डायमंड जिससे लिया हुआ है उसको भी वापस रिटर्न बेचना पड़ता है.
ये बराबर सही है. रीजन क्या है कि जो डायमंड्स होता है इट इज अ वेरी क्रिटिकल थिंग. जो एसॉर्टिंग होता है डायमंड्स का, तो जो मैन्युफैक्चरर है उसको मालूम है कि उसके फैक्ट्री में कैसा एसॉर्ट हुआ है. मतलब क्वालिटी कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता है, कोई नहीं करता है.
सर्टिफिकेट्स और सब कुछ देते हो.
हाँ हाँ.
तो फिर वो सर्टिफिकेट्स की वैल्यू होती है.
नहीं, अगर certificates, I'll tell you one. This is a very good question. I would really appreciate it. Actually, there is only 1 or 2 laboratories where you get the genuine certificate. The retailers have a setup with the certification lab owners कि भाई तुम BSSI GH है, आप BVS बना. तो ये cheating होता है हमारे इंडस्ट्री में. To be honest, it's a very good question. I will tell you the real secret. So, IGI, International Gemological Institute, have you heard of it before? So that is the most reliable certificate. If you go with that certificate, that has laser inscribed on the back of the jewelry. So that is the most authentic certificate. And for solitaires, IGI and GIA laser inscribed. On the solitaire, the number is inscribed, certificate number. So that is the authenticity where only other jewelers also will buy. But going to same jeweler is advantageous because they are feeling कि let's make another sale, take in exchange, because it's a business. So if you go to the same jeweler, he will definitely like to offer you, अरे मेरे से लाख रुपया बना है तो 90,000 को दे दो, फिर आप दूसरा ले लो. So it is that.
अगर हमने किसी और ज्वेलर से डायमंड्स खरीदा हुआ है और वो आपसे एक्सचेंज करवाना है, then what?
उसमें
आपने मुझे से बोला ओल्ड ज्वेलरी,
हाँ बराबर.
पुराना गोल्ड और पुराने डायमंड्स लेके वो एक्सचेंज करना हो तो तभी का क्या?
नहीं कर सकते हैं हम लोग. एक प्रोसेस है, 1 वीक प्रोसेस है. आपको ज्वेलरी देना पड़ेगा, हम फैक्ट्री में एसॉर्टिंग करके पूरा चेक कराएंगे, फिर आपको वैल्यूएशन देंगे. एंड इट विल बी वेरी गुड फेयर वैल्यूएशन बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द डायमंड इन द फैक्ट्री ओनली. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रीसेल योर प्रोडक्ट. सो यू विल गेट गुड वैल्यू.
मैंने समझो कि 5 लाख का सॉलिडर डायमंड वाला रिंग लिया हुआ है,
90% मिलेगा आपको.
90%.
उसकी वैल्यू अगर आप चेक करने के बाद आप बोलते हो अरे ये तो इतने का है ही नहीं, जबकि आज डायमंड्स के प्राइस और हाई हो चुके हैं, राइट, और आप बोलोगे कि 2 लाख 2.5 लाख रुपया मुझे कहते हैं बहुत
नहीं नहीं
एक्चुअली
एक्चुअली
कॉल से मैंने लिया हुआ है, बराबर आप पूरा
नहीं
चेक
तो
करके
मेरे
हमारा
पास
तो ये है नहीं।
नहीं ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा आता है हमारे पास भी। तो हम एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं कि कस्टमर को सॉलिटेयर के केस पे अगर सपोज मेरे से नहीं भी लिया है तो हम वो रेपापोर्ट जो ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट है जहाँ से डायमंड खरीदे जाते हैं उसको हम सेल पे लगा के उसको बेच के देते हैं, जैसे उसको बेस्ट वैल्यू मिले। वी हैव दिस सर्विस बिकॉज आई एम विद फैक्ट्री डायरेक्ट एंड वी आर लाइक डीटीसी साइड होल्डर, मतलब डीपीएस के पार्टनर है फैक्ट्री, तो मेरा जहाँ से काम होता है तो हमारे पास वो स्टोन सेल पे डालने का फैसिलिटी है, आपको कहाँ पे भी नहीं मिलेगा, नो रिटेलर विल ऑफर इट। सो वी विल गेट एंड यू बाय फ्रॉम मी आल्सो 1 लाख अगर आपने सॉलिटेयर लिया है 90,000 आपको लाइफ टाइम मिलेगा, कभी भी आ जाओ 2 दिन में आपको पैसा वापस आएगा।
डायमंड का प्राइस अगर प्लस गया रहेगा देन व्हाट, वो टाइम
हाँ तो प्लस लाइव मिलेगा, लाइव सेलिंग रेट पे 90%। अगर सपोज 50,000 पर कैरेट मेरा प्राइस है और आप जब भी बेचने आए हो 60,000 पर कैरेट में मैं बेच रहा हूँ तो 60,000 का 90% मिलता है इन राइटिंग बिल में, जीएसटी बिल सब लिख के आता है। We'll give you very transparent. See, our thing is we are not a retailer, we are a factory outlet. So the diamonds are reused in factory, they are channelized in factory. So we are not keeping and trading and singing something else. And just one short. We have a advisor. We have a business advisors plan. As you know, I am working privately only on network. We don't have a retail store. I have a private factory outlet. So I am having business advisors. So I think I have given you. Everyone got the envelope, no? So I have given that. It is written in that. It's there. So you have opportunity to earn by referring Vicky Jewelers and earn minimum 50,000 a month to 2 lakhs. So kindly message me if anyone is interested. Thank you. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you, Vicky.